Hi everyone, welcome to the Grace Life DIY Home Decor. Now, in this video today, I'm going to be decorating a table for two, but we're also going to have some tea and dessert. So come on with me, guys. Now, if this is your first time visiting my channel, I want to say welcome. I hope that you like my video and I hope that you stay and subscribe. And for all of you returning subscribers, I so thank you from the bottom of my heart for supporting my channels. All right, so this video is part of a collaboration called Tablescape Tuesdays. So Tablescape Tuesdays is every Tuesday at 6 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Now hosting this collaboration is myself, the Grace Life DIY Home Decor and Amethyst Adventures. So today there is no guest, it is freestyle, and I cannot wait to have you guys. Let's get started. All right, so those placemats came from the Dollar Tree. The chargers, they came from Hobby Lobby. So if we talk about the background of this table, so we have the Nutcracker over there on the right. We have Silver Tree that came from the Dollar Tree, and that floral ball came from a collaboration that I held. And isn't that gorgeous? So if we move on over to the center, I actually thrifted this Christmas tree. It is so full and so beautiful, perfectly shaped. So all I did was just place some poinsettias there, put some lights on there, and then topped it off with a red poinsettia. Now we're going to move on over to that tea set. Well, I brought over my white tea set, but the mugs are those little frosted snowman mugs that you can really use them all through the winter. So I am so happy with that, guys. Now if we move on over to the table, we have those beautiful mother of pearl plates, and then we have that gorgeous the gorgeous plates that are amber, and those are so beautiful as well. And then we have the votive that came from Dollar Tree, and so did the candles. So let's continue on with the rest of the table. All right, so the wine glasses came from the Dollar Tree and the water glasses came from the thrift store. Now wait and see. I'm going to be bringing out a treat to have with our tea, coffee, or hot chocolate after we have dinner. All right, so we have the flatware, which came from Aldi. And then I'm going to get ready to bring out the napkins with the napkin rings, and wait till you see the napkin rings. So the beautiful gold napkins, they were thrifted. And the beautiful napkin rings that look like diamonds, they were gifted item. So here I'm showing you, I decided to put some sweets on a small little mini charcuterie board that are also thrifted, and it's so nice. I'm gonna place that right next to the tea set, and so we are all going to be set. After dinner, we're going to have some tea, coffee, or hot chocolate and some treats. This is a beautiful tablescape, guys. So I hope you enjoyed the video as much as I enjoyed showing you. If you liked the video, click like, share, and comment. Don't forget to subscribe, guys, and don't forget to hit that notification bell so that you can get notified each and every time I upload a video. Have an amazing day, and I'll see you in the next one. God bless you.